Are your third-party applications failing because of the Riot Games API DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Access the official Riot Games API diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This DLL file is a specialized library used by Riot Games titles like Valorant or League of Legends. It manages communication between the game client and Riot servers for authentication and matchmaking. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This error commonly appears when specific Riot Games files are missing or corrupted in the app folder. Reinstall the official version of Riot Games to repair the application and replace the Riot Games API DLL dependency. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Riot Games API component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of the Riot Games API DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes the Riot Games API-related documentation. Thank you for trusting us with the Riot Games API repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.